Greenheck. Building value in air.
Hi, and welcome to a technical detail on Greenheck's HVLS fans. Today I'm going to be covering how to change the drive on our DS series. To begin with, we'll remove the cover plate after everything is safely powered down and locked out. At this point, I'd recommend taking a photograph of how your dip switches are configured and where your wiring is landed. If you do need to refer to a guide, we have a cheat sheet on the inside of the drive cover. We'll begin by removing all the existing wiring and disconnecting the motor. The next thing we'll do is remove the bolts from the back of the drive. Now the drive is ready to be removed. At this point, we'll configure the replacement drive to match the dip switches, including the small bank at the bottom. Then we'll reverse the process. I've replaced the straps on the rear of the drive. Now I'll proceed to replace the low voltage, the high voltage wire, and the motor plugs. At this point, take a look and make sure that everything is matched up and in the proper spot. If you don't have a reference picture, we do have a cheat sheet inside the drive cover. Once everything has been verified, this is ready to return to service. All we have to do is replace the cover plate and the back beauty plate. If you have any additional questions or need more help troubleshooting, please feel free to reach out to our customer support group.